Okay, content that actually attracts high ticket customers, not just views. So let's get right into it. We have three types of content on Instagram. We have fun and trendy content. As you can see here, the view count is high, but follower count is medium, quality followers is very poor, revenue poor, eyeballs very high. So I posted many of their trendy and fun content, as you can see here, and I've got pretty much around 200 million views in like 2 weeks, both on TikTok and Instagram. I've got many eyeballs on me and followers and so on, but I didn't make money with it. I have gotten a few brand deals with this, but it was not profitable. It was not what I was expecting. Value content, the best of all here. The view count is low to medium, but the follower count and the quality of followers is very high. The revenue is also very high, and eyeballs, of course, low to medium, as seen here with the views. So value content is very powerful because it doesn't bring many views, but it brings results. Literally, if you have a niche, for example, you do fitness, if you post strictly about fitness content, how to get abs, how to get this biceps or something like that, maybe sell your training plan or something, you will convert more than if you had just made some fun content. You don't have anything to sell about fun, maybe some low ticket course. Let's be real, if you provide value, you can sell something that is in that interest, because people stayed there and watched because of the thing you provided in that video. For example, value for fitness, maybe the weekly plan of training or something, and they are more likely to convert to something that is actually niched down in their niche, in their interests, so they're more likely to buy. We'll get into details about value content later on. And the third type of content is lifestyle content. The view count is medium, follower count medium, quality follower count very low, revenue low, eyeballs medium. This video was strictly made to open your eyes to see what actually works to make money with your content. So you can have millions and millions of views, but if you don't have a proper offer or a proper value, you won't make any big money. You can make something, but there is no big money in fun and trendy. If you're Mr. Beast, okay, it is okay. But it takes many years to go to that stage. So we will be focusing on the value content here because it is the most profitable. It has more greens than all of the other content types. So let's get into it. So this one reel here, 133k views. It was about some AI that can generate amazing pictures, and it is actually in my niche. I do marketing for other people, and I also use AI to print unlimited content. So I showed everyone how they can do it too, and it got 133k views. And this one reel here has gotten me a client that is paying me big money because he just saw this reel and he was like, bro, I want this, I need this. I don't know how to do it, but let's pay this guy to do it instead of me. So why not? This one reel made me more money than all of these reels here that got me 200 million views, because I had something that nobody actually had in that moment, and I actually do my agency services to other people to save them time and make them more results. As you can see here, very low views, but these reels actually made me more money than all of these views here because I provided value. We will go into that, how you can attract high paying customers with this amount of views. And as you can see here, the lifestyle content has much more views than the value content, but the lifestyle, as you can see here, quality follower count is very low. Why low quality? Because the lifestyle content actually attracts people that don't have this lifestyle, for example. It attracts more low quality people, so it is not recommended to post it all the time. It is helpful to do it sometimes, but not every single day. Let's get into the formula how you can make big money with only value content, for example. Yes, you can have some fun and trendy, but this one you can make the most money of all. So you can make big money if you follow this formula here. So short form value structure. In overall marketing and your content, you need to attract eyeballs to your profile, of course. But the best way you can do it is by posting content that is only tied to your niche. With this, you attract quality followers that can actually pay you for your services or products. Forget the big views and followers right now. That is not important at all. You need a brand, you need recognizability. That's why some guys with less than 5k followers earn 50k per month, and some of them with 100k plus followers earn only 5 to 10k per month. But here's the catch, it takes time. Yeah, sure, you can go post trendy content, sell a low ticket course and get some quick money. But do you really think that the people who follow you watch your content? Ask yourself. In the most cases, no. The big followers are just the numbers on the screen if you do trendy or fun content that attracts low quality followers, right? So they won't be there for you, and as soon as you stop posting or disappear, they will forget you. When I was posting content on my native language, I posted fun and trendy content that actually have gotten me many followers and millions of views, but as soon as I stopped posting, nobody was texting me, nobody was replying to my stories, nobody was engaged in my content or in my profile. This is very important because if you want to sell something, you need to have people that actually look at your stories, look at your content, that actually follow the whole journey. It is very crucial because later on they build trust and they will sell. In the country I lived, Serbia, I posted that engaging and fun content and everybody was actually taking pictures with me. I was literally famous. It's not that big of a country, but I was very famous here. Not that much, but still people recognized me and I felt good, but I didn't make any money from it. I didn't make anything from it, literally anything. As soon as I stopped posting for a few days, nobody actually gave a shit. But as you can see here, when you post value and stuff that is tied to your niche, they automatically remember you because they have got something from you. They have gained something by watching you. And people love to get things for free. In the fun and trendy economy, they don't gain anything. They just waste hours on the screen. So this is the point about value content. You give them value and they remember you because they've got something for free. But if you make fun and trendy content, they will just remember you by being fun and that's it. You didn't bring that much of a value. But if you bring value like here in fitness or soccer or basketball or something that you do, if you bring them value, they will remember you because of that. I have helped many people scale their brand, make more money online and so on, and they have remembered me because I bring them so much value. I have made their life easier, and you won't make anybody's life easier if you film trendy or fun content. For instance, here I have 30.1k followers. 15k are in my niche, content creation, business, self-improvement and so on. And the 15k are from all of those viral videos shown here. The 200 million views in 2 weeks. And to be honest, after that lower trend, I've got so many unqualified followers and my scale from getting high ticket customers from my personal brand has been like this. And after that trend, it was like this. Because I attracted many low quality followers. But who cares, I managed to make much more money by posting this kind of content, the value content, as you're watching right now. So after a few months of posting this kind of content, I attract those customers back again and I am working still with them. And they're all 20k per month plus guys who are working with me. So it is high quality. And I didn't lose that much, but you should be focusing on the value non-stop. Trust me. So short form lifestyle importance. This is very important. Short form with lifestyle is very important. If you want to even make over 20k per month with your product or service, you need lifestyle on your profile. This is very crucial. Not that much, but don't be that guru that flexes non-stop. Just be discreet and post a few cool pictures and a few reels, and that will be enough. This includes carousels, reels, here and there, Instagram stories. So if you want to make big money on Instagram, you should be only posting value, giving everything for free. Because the viewers will trust you even more because you're providing everything for free, and they will think subconsciously, if you give everything for free, imagine how much will this guy help me if I pay him. Very recommended, just post everything you know about your niche and anything you do. So don't post pictures like this flexing. So what would I recommend is to post this kind of pictures, discreet, professional, and they actually suit you more on your profile if you want to attract high ticket customers. Posting stuff like travels, expensive lifestyle, luxury places, friends, women on your profile instantly boosts your sales. But doing it too much can destroy your chances of having high paying customers. I mean this for 20k per month plus guys. They literally live that life too. But as soon as they see someone flexing nonstop, they're like, just a kid that's got some money, too unserious, we won't work with him. So that's why you need to build a reputation in your own professional way. Don't complicate this, and that's about lifestyle importance. Post pictures like this, not this, and trust me, you will gain much better clients in your work and you will feel fulfilled because you are attracting high quality people, not just junk people. So YouTube, the ultimate conversion system. This is the thing I'm doing currently right now as you are watching this video. Let's get right into it. Besides short form content, the best way where you can get high ticket clients is on YouTube. The simple reason why is because serious players don't spend their time scrolling Instagram or TikTok. They're finding solutions for their business, so this is where you should be based and where you should provide the most value. Like me, you came here because you had a problem. You can't fix it by watching it on short form. It's logical. The YouTube is the only place where you can provide infinite value in one single video. But as soon as the potential client sees your personal profile on Instagram and you catch their attention, they'll go straight to your YouTube profile to see if you're really providing that value you're talking about. And if you provide infinite free value, you will build trust and they will convert easily. But you need to be consistent for months and months to gain momentum, but it will be worth it, trust me. Because you will attract high paying customers and high quality customers besides that, so your life will be so much easier. You will be working with easier people to deal with. You won't be dealing with some douchebag that doesn't know anything about online space or anything you do. And the best way to convert is by leading all of your leads that click on your profile straight to your YouTube channel, where they will build trust and actually convert eventually because you provide outstanding value. And that's how you attract high quality and high paying customers. And this is the point where you actually make big money, not just 10k, 20k per month. You can do it much better than that. And if you want me and my team to change your content game forever, go book that Calendly meeting in the first link in the description and make yourself much more money. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.